Perhaps you have seen the phrase, which of the following, quite often in your English tests. But what does it mean exactly and why is it used in this way? Are there any other ways to express such sense? Follow me through this lesson to learn everything you need to know about it. After watching this video, I'm pretty sure you can make your own multiple choice questions in the best way. Let's begin. What does which of the following mean? We often face this phrase in multiple answer questions in exams. Which of the following is used to ask the reader to choose one or more answers that follow the question. It actually refers to a list of items that come after the question. Following are a few examples of the use of this phrase in English tests. Examples: which of the following is a preposition? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following are adverbs? Is it correct to use which of the followings? The answer is a strict no. That is because the following means the next, so it cannot be pluralized. Actually, following is an adjective, and we cannot make adjectives plural. Let's take the example of sunny as an adjective. We can never make it plural and say sunnies. Therefore, which of the following is always used in this fixed way? Which of the following is, or which of the following are? Actually, both are correct, but there are important grammatical points to consider about each of them. When we use singular verb after the following, we are asking the reader to choose only one answer from the list of options. Look at the following examples to understand this better. Which of the following is a reptile? Lizard, seal, bear, dog. Which of the following is a winter sport? Golf, hockey, skating, swimming. Which of the following is not a flying bird? Chicken, swallow, sparrow, crow. As you see in all of these questions, we're asking the reader to choose only one of the answers. Actually, there is only one correct answer to choose. We use which of the following are when we want the reader to choose more than one item of the list. For example, there can be more than one correct answer or there may be no right or wrong answers, but we only want to know the preference of the reader, like in psychological tests. Let's check a few examples to understand this better. Which of the following are mammals? Bear, sheep, snake, bat. Which of the following are summer activities? Swimming, mountain climbing, skiing, hockey. Which of the following are adverbs of time? Never, always, now, here. As you see in the above questions, there are more than one correct answer. Therefore, we use are after the following. As I mentioned earlier, which of the following are can also be used when there are no right or wrong answers, but we just want to know the preferences of the reader. For example, many psychological tests use this phrase to encourage the reader to choose one or more of the offered options. Examples: which of the following are your favorite hobbies? Reading, partying, going out for a walk, listening to music. Which of the times of day are you most energetic? Morning, noon, evening, midnight. Which of the following ways do you prefer to spend your spare time? Reading a book, going for a walk, shopping, visiting a friend. Which of the following types of movies do you prefer to watch? Romantic, horror, fiction, science fiction. In all of the above questions, the reader can choose one or more options, and there is no limitation for them. Can we use which of the below instead? Well, the phrase which of the below is grammatically incorrect. That is because below is an adverb. However, there is one way to use below in this phrase. We need to add a plural noun before below. Take a look at the following example to get this better. Which of the answers below is right? Here, the plural noun answers has come before below, so this question is grammatically correct. Let's look at a few other examples. Which of the sentences below is grammatically incorrect? Which of the options below suit your interest best? Which of the countries below is the greenest? Which of the following plus plural noun? We're free to use or not use a plural noun after which of the following, because the meaning would not be lost. Look at the following examples to learn this better. Which of the following tools is a carpentry tool? Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? Which of the following options suits your interest best? Which of the following countries is the greenest? As you see, in all of these questions, if we omit the plural noun that has come after the following, nothing happens to the meaning. That is because the following by itself conveys the meaning of plurality. It shows that next comes a list of options. Synonyms for which of the following. So let's learn some other phrases you can use instead of which of the following. Which of the plural noun below? Which of these plural noun? For example, options, items. Which one? Which answer? How many of these plural noun? How many of the following plural noun? Can you name the are there any here that? Now that you learned everything about this subject, go on to make your own multiple choice questions and list of answers. I'm sure you are now ready to do this. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.